Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the chlorophyll from a leaf. First, understand that chlorophyll is the green pigment responsible for photosynthesis. By removing it, you can reveal the leaf's natural colors, which are often hidden. This guide will walk you through a straightforward method using common household items, making it an accessible and interesting experiment for anyone curious about plant biology. To begin, gather all your materials. Select a few fresh, green leaves, spinach or ivy work well. You'll also need a medium-sized pot for boiling water and a tall, heat-safe glass that can fit inside the pot. Make sure you have rubbing alcohol, preferably 70% isopropyl alcohol, which is effective for dissolving chlorophyll. Finally, grab a slotted spoon and 2 cups of water. The first step involves boiling the leaf. Pour 2 cups of water into your medium-sized pot and bring it to a rolling boil on the stove. Once the water is boiling, carefully place your chosen leaf into the pot. Let it boil for about 2 minutes. This process softens the leaf and helps to break down its cell walls, preparing it for the next stage. After 2 minutes, use a slotted spoon to remove the leaf from the hot water. Now for the second crucial step, the alcohol bath. Pour 1 cup of rubbing alcohol into your tall, heat-safe glass. Carefully place the boiled leaf into the alcohol, making sure it is completely submerged. Next, place this glass into the pot of hot water you just used, creating a warm water bath. Let it sit for approximately 1 hour. You'll observe the alcohol gradually turning green as the chlorophyll dissolves, leaving your leaf with its true, vibrant colors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.